Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to download and install iPadOS 26. Let's have a look. For this video I am going to use iPad Pro 11-inch. First, on your iPad, open Settings app. In iPad settings, tap General on left panel, then tap Software Update on right panel. Make sure your iPad connected with internet. Under software updates, you will see available updates. Under also available, tap upgrade to iPadOS 26. Total update file size 5.79 GB. Tap update now. Enter your iPad passcode to confirm it's you. Tap agree and you will see update requested. Depend on your internet speed, you will see total remaining hours. Here about 1 hour remaining. About 35 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. After that you will see preparing update. iOS 26 will begin installing in 2 seconds. Your iPad will verifying updates. Then your iPad will reboot. After restart you will see Apple logo. Then you will see hello screen. Swipe up to open. Now enter your iPad passcode. Software update complete. Your iPad has been updated to iOS 26.0. Tap continue. You can set Face ID right now or tap Setup later. Apple Intelligence, tap Setup later. Setup Siri later. Then you will see Welcome to iPadOS 26. Tap skip or slide to check one by one and then continue. Multitasking, tap continue. Welcome to iOS 26. Tap get started. Open settings and go for software update. iPadOS 26. Go to wallpaper and search for new iPadOS wallpaper. Choose one and then add. You can resize clock, then set wallpaper. That's it. These are the steps to download and install iPadOS 26. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.